Hello everyone. I am Suchita Mori from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this video, we are going to discuss solution of differential equation by using MATLAB Part 3. Learning objectives. Learners can identify the difference between linear and non-linear, first order and higher order differential equation, and by using the concept and knowledge of this, they can solve the examples of differential equation by using MATLAB. MATLAB play an important role for solving the differential equation. Now in part 1 and part 2, we already solved some problems of linear differential equation, non-linear differential equation, first order and higher order with constant coefficient. Now in this part 3, we will discuss differential equation with variable coefficient and solve some problems of differential equation and plot the graph of the solution of differential equation. Now example number 6, which is higher order differential equation with variable coefficient. Here second order differential equation. Here first step is systems y of x. Then express the ordinary differential equation by applying differential symbols and arithmetic operation. Here 2 into x square there into d2y by d square, that means differentiation of y comma x and 2 times derivative, plus 3 into x into differentiation of y with respect to x minus of y double equal 0, and y solution of x equal to d solve ODE. We solve example number 6 by using MATLAB. Here, example number 6 is higher order differential equation with variable coefficient, that means Cauchy's equation. Now for this, first step is systems y of x. Then we define the ordinary differential equation ODE equal to, now here 2x square d2y by dx square, therefore 2, apply the arithmetic operation, 2 into x to the power x square term, therefore to the power 2x square into d2y by dx square, therefore again into differentiation of y comma x, how many times? 2 times, therefore here d2y by dx square term plus 3x dy by dx, that means 3 into x into di double f of y with respect to x. This is the second term. Now minus of y, third term is minus of y equal, that means double equal to 0. In this way we write down the equation. Now third step is y solution of x equal to d solve ODE. Here no initial conditions are given. If initial conditions are given, we apply these conditions and run this program in command window. We get the solution. This is the solution of Cauchy's equation. Example number 7. This is the equation which is first order differential equation. We solve this first by applying condition and then plot the graph of the solution. First step, system of y of t, then define ordinary differential equation, apply the condition here, then solution of this equation. Now here we are applying EZ plot, that means function plotter. Then here y solution is sufficient for plotting the graph. But if we needed the graph between some values of t, suppose I define here -4 to 4. These values on the x-axis. Therefore, we get the graph of t values from -4 to 4. Then we solve this in MATLAB, and here grid is on. By using MATLAB, we solve example number 7 and plot the graph of its solution. Now, first 4 steps are same. Therefore, I am pasting here system y of t. Then ordinary differential equation is dy by dt plus dy equal to t square. One condition is given, y of 0 equal to 3, and y solution of t equal to d solve ODE, and one condition is given. Now I am adding program for plot each head plot in bracket. We find out the plot of the solution, therefore this, and one condition for the limits, that means -4 to 4. Bracket complete, and grid. Now we run this program in command window. First we get the solution, and then we get the graph of this. This is the graph of the given ordinary differential equation. Now by using property editor, we can change the width of this, we can change the color of this. As per our requirement, we can change the color of this. And condition here, graph is in between -4 to 4 value. In this way, we solve the ordinary differential equation and plot the graph of it. Example number 8. This equation is second order differential equation. First we solve this and then plot the graph of the solution. System y of x, we define d of y, then d2y by dx square, then ordinary differential equation, condition 1, condition 2, and then conditions y of solution equal to d solve ODE and condition. And lastly, plot the graph of this EZ plot y solution, and here condition for x-axis values -2 to 8. Now we solve in MATLAB. Example number 8. The ordinary differential equation is second order differential equation with two initial conditions. We solve this by using MATLAB and plot the graph of this. For this, I am pasting here some initial stage. System of y of x dy, that means differentiation of y, d2y means d2y by dx square. Then ordinary differential equation is 4 d2y by dx square minus 20 dy plus 25y equal to double equal 0. First condition, second condition, then conditions 1 and 2. Then we find out the solution. Up to this, then we plot the graph EZ plot in bracket y solution, comma, if condition is there, then if we added the condition -2 to 8, and bracket complete. Lastly, we write down grid on. Now we will run this program and find out the solution of the given ordinary differential equation. This is the solution of the differential equation. Now we will see the graph of this. This is the graph of the given ordinary differential equation. Range is from -2 to 8, and we get the required result. In this way, we can solve ordinary differential equation and its graph by using MATLAB. In this way, we solve all types of differential equation, that means linear, non-linear, first order, second and third order, that means higher order differential equation with single initial condition, initial condition, initial conditions, then differential equation with constant coefficient with variable, that means Cauchy's equation. Then we can plot the graph of the solution by using MATLAB. Therefore, MATLAB is very important for solving the differential equation. Thank you.